Outstanding design defines the 2009 Ford Flex. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. It includes heated seats, front and rear reading lights, power front seats, reverse sensing system, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and leather upholstery. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Premium sound drives 12 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.